Hello buddy, this is Jonathan, and today I'll be getting Dracula theme to work with my GNOME desktop environment on Debian. Okay, so let's get started. So what I'm going to do right now is download it. I'll go ahead and download this file which says dracula.tar.exe. Click on it. Click on this download button and it should start downloading. Let me go ahead and open it. I'll just double click on it to actually unzip it. Okay, once that's been unzipped, I'm going to go ahead and open up this in the terminal. I'll go ahead and just make this one bigger screen. Let me just do ls. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to do sudo. So basically, I want to copy Dracula to the user share themes directory, and this will allow me to set this as my theme. Okay. So let me just do cp-r curly line downloads dash Dracula. If I now do usr share themes, now press on the enter key, now enter your password. And it looks like this has been saved to the user share themes directory. So if I go ahead and open up to the GNOME tweaks, here it is. If I now go down to appearance, I should be able to see shell, and I can change this one to being Dracula, and I can go ahead and change the legacy application into the Dracula version. And now, as you guys can see, I'm using this theme. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please put a like and please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.